Yeah, this one. Here. You can see.
For example, for one.
Yeah, this is bionic 5.
This is the contamination.
No, this is the bionic 5. But you can find the contamination is here. Small switch.
Ah, small switch.
Small switch.
This is
But
for
here,
this is for what?
Contamination.
yeah, this contamination. Contamination is I can put it here, boom, if my car is not connected. So mean to say like I terminate it here, I terminate my car. For example, I have a problem with my PCBs. Yes? If I have a problem with PCBs and then
What's the benefits to
it's only using this one during installation. Once installation. At the same time, on maintenance, I have a problem with my PCBs there, right? So maybe some inputs and outputs of your car, it doesn't recognize. So what happened? I can isolate this. I will terminate this one by just putting here, put installation mode, and then I can run my elevator.
Okay, if we put the gimbal inside the panel,
Yeah.
the electric power would be low and
No.
the carton.
CAN means what? CAN, communications, right? For example, here's the car, you have the variable frequency and the control.
Okay.
So in normal operations, car, you and me, we are communicating each other. And we have a problem, right?
Yeah.
So of course I'm a controller and I am waiting for the confirmation that hey, what happened to you? What is happening right there in car? Then if it's not communicating, so what should I do? The technician, okay, terminate, boop, I will put this one, boop, then now you and me only we have to communicate. Yeah. Disregards about the car.
Yeah.
Because maybe you have some problems with the PCBs or COPs or with the door, with the car
We
doors.
need to isolate.
Yes, this is the right word. Isolate.
Isolate all the car.
Yes. Yeah. So that's why during operation of NI, new installations, they are using this one. Because normally when they are doing it, they can run the elevator without the PCBs on the top of the car. Okay? So that's why during normal operation, this country is, empty. And again, what is this? AC core. Yeah? Same like ASICs, same like DCIF, MXAF, just like the central processing unit of our elevator.
The C code.
SC core. I mean, if you need to say, if you need to update, the base, you can say base software of our elevators.
Microprocessor.
Yeah.
Send the microprocessor.
Where can I find this one? If I open this, it's because inside then you can find it.
Check out.
Yeah. We have the SC power, no? SC power, we have the low and then high. Here. This one is SC power. In 3300, what is this name? This make is up, no? Middle.
Same.
Yeah, SEM, no? SEM.
SEM.
Yeah, same. 3300. Same like that, right? So what we can find here, see? Those are the KVs, right? The batteries, yes. Then we have those KV. KV signals. KV1, KV1, KV2, KV3. Okay? Okay, we have this AC car. AC car is yeah. Oh, really? Huh? Good. Huh?
Scalable.
Narinig mo ano? You can count on your fingers what are those plugs. Here, what is this? This is something new in SD card.
Internet, I
No.
think. I think connect the laptop in the cube.
No?
what the Ethernet?
Yeah, this one.
If we have the 3 elevators and connect to each other.
No, the carta?
It doesn't the card up.
It only work in this Ethernet, you mean to say, if you have
from the
three
van,
legs.
from the
Yeah.
van, you have to work, yeah.
This car, this PCBs, you can find it in the car. Carta.
Okay.
Remember that I'm mentioning about that we have 3 types of shop information.
Yeah.
Shop information like this one, no? AC
Sources, I think.
CS100, the sound sys.
Yeah, sources.
200, 300. They don't use the WAGO. No, they are using the Ethernet.
Ethernet, yeah, Ethernet cable, yes.
If I'm using this to my previous controller like MX7.2 by using Panic, so I need the adapter.
It means, I think it must be to enter the information of the shop manual, not this system. Because in the MX and Bionic, we put information inside the control, or inside the system. And then in Bionic and MX manual. Do you understand what I mean?
Because the rule, although we are added some equipment, some
Yeah.
PCBs,
Yeah.
but we are not letting behind those previous PCBs we have. Although I added some parts, I added some PCBs, but hey, I cannot use the PCB anymore from the previous. Now we can, but you know.
But must be to connect with the.
Yes, we have some adapter that I can use my old PCBs to a new one. I can adapt. You can adapt.
Just you want to adapt the
Yes.
new PCB to the main PCB.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why, like this one, no? I can use this in here, Kani. But you know the connection of this is just like this one. In Kani, you cannot find like this. So what's it, in Kani is like this, SI. So you need what? You need a plug like this, and I don't have the Kani like this, then I have the adapter to insert this shop information. Yes.
Okay.
This is the
Take the short information from the carton and connect the Ethernet cable to the main PCB or to the panel here. So now the short information.
Can I use the
This
old?
this the concept of this cable.
this is just a body connections, just my connections cables.
But like, if I use the old ANSI to this, would it be possible? To this AC card?
Maybe?
It will be the same, but they need only also the
I
plan.
think yes. I think
Not possible, or possible.
I'm not so sure of it.
Because you see this Ethernet connection for this type, right?
Yes,
You
yes.
just need a plan if you want to use the old type.
For the old type,
No,
they need an adapter.
or for the maybe also the same with the
You can only just reverse the adapter, no?
Yeah.
From WAGO to Ethernet like this, Ethernet cable. Then from Ethernet cable to WAGO, if just like vice versa. I think yes, it can be yes. What else here? Okay, can see out. Okay, SKC now. Stop switch. Okay, we have door 1, door 2, and then HK. HK is the traveling cable. What else? Recall. Mention the recall. Okay. Additional. What is this? Automatic evacuation switching board. The options. If we have what? Automatic evacuation. Remember that in our 5500, the fan start, we have the ESD, automatic evacuation device that we are using the fan start. It's a China brand, but it's better than our ARC VRS. Simple, but good. Easy to install, easy to configure. Compared to our automatic rescue system, made by the Shinda, that's complicated. Yeah, this is just like the adapter also. Okay. Anyone can explain here? Lakay, explain mo nga to dito. While of our colleague is videoing, sige. Sige, Lakay. Ah.
Okay. Also for me, this is my first time to see this one. And I like.
Later on, we will explore, after this introduction of this PCBs, and then we will play this simulator. No?
Okay. So this one is different for the CLCD what our trainer said to us. Now, in my view, these pictures, this one is this is going up, going down, and then if you enter this one, show it in this one direction. If you have parameters changing, you can this one going up, down. This one enter if you want. This one if you finish, you can skip. Okay. Now this is the one the speed of the elevator, and this one is the inspection. If the normal, this one is in, yes, and this one is for the door. I think so. This one is door one, front and rear.
Yeah.
This one, and this one is the indication of this floor for the elevator, which floor this. Okay.
Current floor.
Yeah, current floor. And this one is this. I think so. This one is a group.
Lift name, no? Let's say elevator A, elevator B.
Duplex like this. Now this is the safety circuit. This is our trailer division. This one. B1, T2, E3, B3, 4, 5. This is easy for determine for the open safety circuit.
The black.
Yeah. The black one is, this one is okay, but this one is not okay. You can determine what safety circuit, what the contact, the kind of, other problems. Now this one is fatal. If there is a problem, the elevator, this one is indicator of the fatal. So you know now this elevator is not working. Yeah. So this one, I think this one, this is this one.
Same lang this one, okay.
Huh?
Same, this is the elevator speed.
This is the elevator speed.
Yeah.
Okay, this one also is this one. Where is the number of the floors?
Yes.
Okay.
So, naka-indicate lang sa likod ng speed ng elevator. Halimbawa, fix ba yun? Halimbawa, 1 meter per second. So, naka-1 na yun. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang makikita mo yung details kung ilan yung takbo ng ibang
Change. Change. Same with MX5. MX7. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I know this one. I think this one is for the full, normal, and this special. We can't change. Yeah. And this one is the CPU full. This one is the where is the, for example, the elevator in the label. Yeah. You can find this one. It will be. I think this one is blue color. Yeah. Okay. If not, this one is there is no in that also. It will be not appear this one. Okay. This one is there. This is this trainer made this one PSD. Mean to is
SD.
additional. This is
Short pitch, short headroom.
Short pitch. Because this one is
In normal operation, there's no LED.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
no LED.
and this one also. I think this one is using for BBD, for the CPSI, and for the size speaker. If you're testing this elevator now, this is
Sa pagka ginamit ng test, nagkakalukod ba? Nagluloko-loko.
this one is information about this.
Yeah.
You know, if you push this one, there is a solenoid in the governor, speed governor. This is the trigger one. This is the trigger one.
Normally, we use this one if you're...
During acceptance test.
Yeah, this is acceptance
And
test.
it's MRL.
Yeah, this is
MRL.
Normally, it's for
That's
MRL.
according the instruction mode,
No,
not according.
For,
No.
if for example, let's say size,
Yeah.
so they are performing some tests.
Yeah.
So if your elevator is machine roomless, they want to activate the safety gear. How are you going to trigger this
now
overspeed
to
governor?
check the.
How are you trying? You want to activate this the governor.
Yeah.
So this device, when you press this one, there's a magnetic solenoid fixed on the overspeed governor.
Yeah. Okay.
So it will trigger the overspeed governor
Yeah.
to activate the
Yeah,
safety
to
gear.
get the safety gear.
Yeah.
This is the one. Okay, and also this one. This is
You know, this is vacant. See, we have the black that you can just like a switch, no? Push button on off like that. Question here, Mr. Lagmay. What is this one? Reset, right? We know that this is a reset, no? Less than 1 second and more than 5 seconds. What is the difference between these two?
5 seconds.
Yeah, 1 second.
This one.
Yeah, if you press less than a second, just like reset, right? But if you press more than 5 seconds,
It's like a double reset.
oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's a double
It's like a
reset.
double reset in our
Double
MX6
reset in our
and MX7, right? Yeah.
Because in MX we have, if you want to do a double reset,
Yeah. Okay.
Twice.
okay. If you want to
Twice,
get
yeah.
this one also, if you want to maybe
Maybe
this
double
one is
reset,
done,
yeah,
yeah,
maybe.
this done 1 second.
Yeah.
Just like
Just
a normal reset.
just our normal reset.
Yeah.
If you make it double reset,
Keep on fish.
then okay, you have to clean the ROMs, okay, just like refresh.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else? Okay, that's good. Thank you,
So
Mr.
we
Lagmay.
will make
Yeah.
the trainer this actual so that we can.
I just want to introduce and then we still have time this afternoon and then okay, I'll give you the task. Let's say maybe Ibrahim, you will be the one to configure the COPs, okay? Configure the LOPs, okay? Changing the parameters, you can play. So you have the confidence to try on your side. Okay, good. So software is hardware reset, temporary software flags, TSD, car direction, NES mode. That's it. Yun pala yun. This is automatic car positioning. Send me 3300. If you press this reset inspection, no?
Yeah.
And MX7 you don't have, right? Right, Ibrahim? No?
Only 2300.
Only 3300. Now, scalable controller. Okay. Automatic car positions. Good. Oh, this exercise, no? Oh, the same? No? Anyway, we have hotkeys, especially here, hotkeys. What do you mean by hotkeys? Like this. If I make a car call, no, if you say hotkeys, just like a shortcut button
Shortcut
press,
buttons.
right?
Yeah.
Just like this. If I
Press for
Send the shortcut on the MX and the variant.
I don't have any
I
shortcut.
think in the MX.
MX,
just-
six, seven,
just-
seven.
just-
That if you, for example, if you are in the inside of those menus, then you have to press this one, and then it pop up with this.
Yeah.
If I make a car call, I just press this here, boom, then car call. If I press this one, for example, for changing the values of the parameters. For example, 1,500. Then I will go to 1,300. If you press this one up, 1,549, 1,442. But here, you can change it by step, no, one by one.
It's like by column.
By column or by rows.
By rows.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Luet, CPU port. If I have problem with mine, AC core. Luet, yeah. Luet means on and off during normal operations.
Normal operation.
If this luet is on, mean to say that my door zone, my car is in door zone. That keeps on level.
Level.
Okay. SC main, okay. I don't need to go further, no? I don't do because this one you have this in your wiki, no? We have the course manual. You can read it. You can read it in your wiki.
It's available. It's SMLCD. It's log in, log out. Same features.
Yes, yes, log in and log out. The same in MX7. If you are familiar with MX7 and MX6, maybe 2 or 3, no, 4 added some features. But of course, no, maybe some of our maintenance. What the problem with them is, I don't have a training for that, so I don't know how. They have some excuses. So okay, we'll try to introduce them this type of controller for some push buttons. Maybe they don't know.
Actually, no, sometimes you don't need training because it was all in the wiki. You just need to read it.
Yeah. But the problem is, from our maintenance, okay, we need to introduce them. Okay, overview connectors. You can read it. Here, yeah. See, as I mentioned, no? PCB for the MX power L and H, low and high. So it depends on the brake control. It depends on what? In higher wattage for our the brake control. See, if we have 100 watts, so we use L. Yeah. If we have this 400 watts for the peak fault, so we have used the high. Okay. So how do I know that I'm a maintenance? So for example, I have a problem here. Then I can give the right ID number, and it was written there. If this is SC POW H or L, then give to our supervisors. Okay. Yeah, this one. Okay, take note, huh? SC POW, what's number 24? Yeah, the brake type. The brake type. On brake type, we have the brake selection key and SC POW. That we have the VV and we have the DD. Okay, VV and DD. Because some of our controllers that time, no, like EU, this VV and VV and VD, it's not sealed. It's not sealed. They just only send to the side, and maybe the people who package the complete parts of the elevator is take in, take out, take in, and then okay, maybe the machine is FML, maybe the machine is PML or PMR. Then this brake type switch selections, it's only working with the appropriate type of machine. If I'm using PMO and you put in BB or VD, so it doesn't work. So it should be in the right selection of the brake type. Same like this. See, for example, if I have SGB142, my brake type position should be in the VD. If you put here in VD, it will not work. So you can see, I have the documents again to.
So you can determine if your brake is not working, you can check this VD and DB.
Yes. There is one new installation thing. Okay. This is wrong selections. Came from factory. It's factory's fault. Then the NI team is the first time to encounter this problem. You know, they spent 1 day to troubleshoot the problem. The one thing, one problem that they changed, only one component that they didn't change, only the machine. They changed the variable frequency, they switched this PCBs to other elevator and then did it the same. And they are asking, what's the problem? It's my first problem, it's my first encounter also. Then, okay, just to read, no? Read. Then, okay, maybe check the selection. Then after they make it switch, the elevator running in normal. They can move the elevator installation. Okay, so this is only brake type. 5500. Anyway guys, you have this on your
This is new one.
course manual. Okay, what else? Okay, AC car, no? Okay, AC car. And as you can see here, no? As you can see for the X-scope, it was those names was written on the PCBs. So the good thing here is if this is not the right one for this plug, so it doesn't go in. Okay? So that's why I always tell to the maintenance people or the installation team that if they make it plug in or plug out, okay, your Carabao or your power should be switched off. Just in case that, you know, if the power is on, and then they put the wrong one, and then boom, burst.